guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Virgin Galactic. That is ticker symbol SPCE. Now, we ended the day at 1437, basically gotten very, very beaten up in here over the last month or so after we got down below that $20 level. You can see that we've just been on a downtrend here in the past 3 or 4 weeks or so. But really, there is some good news in here. Now, I know that we just had a 5% pullback on the day today from yesterday's trading session. But the good news is that we're kind of sitting close to this previous support, which was all the way back in here in early May, and that was going to be on the 11th. And that low that we printed in here was 1427. So we're really close to that support in here. And that's kind of where we started taking off back in May. Obviously, you did have some news catalysts and whatnot back then, but that's why you had that sharp kind of run up here. But that was a nice support for us in the past. And also, you can see there was a lot of playing with the $15 level here. So that is some good news going forward in here. Obviously, if we do not hold this support, then we will be looking at the 14s, 1350s, 1300s, working our way down those nice whole numbers, as we usually say when there's really not a whole lot, or you have to kind of go back over the past year or so to find a support. So start working your way down on those nice whole numbers. But really, we might have a little something here, perhaps. Now, everything is relative. We might need a little, some catalyst here to kind of bump us up above that $15 level again. But all in all, support back in May, we are kind of sitting on that right now. So that could be good. And also what happened back in May, we had that big sharp run up in the summer. So again, we'll have to see what happens in here. But really, resistance wise, we're looking at that $15 level. Above that, it is going to be that 9-day EMA at 1590. 1590. And then we're going to go up to this 1911 level here. And then above that, it will be this 50-day moving average right at that $20 mark. RSI in here is at 7, stochastic 7.8. If we scroll back to that May area, you can see that stochastics were actually a little bit higher than what they were now then. So they're at the 22s, and now they're really way below that here, down at the 7 and 8. So we're going to keep an eye on this, definitely monitoring this. Still some juice in here. Obviously, a pullback over the past 3 or 4 weeks. There's going to be a little bit of IV start creeping in. There's not a whole lot compared to itself for the past year, but there still is some in here. IV rank is at 26. Raw IV in your hundreds, basically throughout all your expiration cycles. Everybody's pricing in right around $1 by this coming Friday, December 17th. Everybody's pricing in right around 161. If you go all the way out to your January monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around $2.67. So again, keep an eye on this one in here. We have to see if those low 14s do hold. Basically, that low that we printed back in May, that is going to be our nice support that we're kind of watching. If not, looking at those whole numbers going down. But if we do hold, then we're going to see if we can start slowly creeping back up. We got to hit those 15s at 9-day EMA, and then we should be on the fast track to $20 after that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.